I'll be speaking Somali. Wow, okay. Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Shuks here. Today I'm making a smoothie. Marka cabitaanka sameyne waa inta ka fikirtid waxa ku dare. So I'm gonna add banana and I'm gonna also add yogurt. It's a dairy-free yogurt. Maxana ku darena almond milk, blueberries. Hadarabtit maxaa ku dari kartaa water, biyo, like you don't need to really. I like using most of it with almond milk. I think it's enough. Like it's very smooth and creamy, so it gives it that very smooth, creamy taste. The benefits of smoothies are your skin looks much better. Sometimes I used to have like lots of pimples, like my whole face, and I wasn't like drinking enough water. Coffee, having too much coffee can do that as well. I was drinking too much coffee. Smoothie, I can't even talk. Smoothie as sameyna maanta maxaa ka bilaaba banana. So banana dhan waa isticmaali kartaa mase half. Hadaa rabtid half isticmaale, hadaa rabtid kulligiisa isticmaale. So kulligiisa isticmaala maanta. Asiga dhan isticmaala. Asiga dhan isticmaala. That. Where my Somali it used to be so good, but now I feel like it's getting worse and worse. Like I speak to my mom in Somali, and I think she's the reason why I can sort of still speak Somali and understand Somali. I know more than the basics there to her. ما في عندها ما حسنا جرتا انت تقنتها. Sounds like questions like those basic questions like where are you? I feel like that's a bit weird. Weird questions, but we're going to add the blueberries now. What am I doing? Hey. So هذا maxaa ku darna blueberries ka. We added the blueberries and we can add the vanilla yogurt. So yogurt kan maxaa way dairy free, ma ku jiro mu ka imaanin xayawaan sidoo kale into maxaa way natural yogurt. So wax kasta la ka sameeyo maxaa way natural. Coconut, sidoo kale into coconut ka laga sameeyo, coconut cream, coconut milk ka laga sameeyo marka. So waxaan ii sheegayaa waxaan dhan isticmaalo natural way because hadda maxaa cunayaa un vegetables iyo fruits. So waa iska daaye processed food, sidoo kale into foodka oo yaabaye mar hore la sameeyay iyo maxaa iska daaye maxaa iska daaye hilib, maxaa iska daaye chicken. So hadda vegetables iyo fruit iyo wax kasta oo natural waaye waxa cuno hadda. So maxaa ku darana kan kulli ma ku darana wax yar. Just a little bit is enough. A little bit is enough. All right, I think that's enough. So it gives it that creamy smoothiness. Is that even a thing? Alright, so this is my favorite bit. Adding this. Oh my god. This is almost finished as well. Everything is finished in this house. Oh my god. How about Intayawe shopping out? Oh, so good. Yum. I think that's enough. So هذا maxaa ku jiro maxaa la dhahaa banana, blueberries of Somali maxaa la dhahaa blueberries. Hadda taqaantid ii sheeg blueberries. Okay. yogurt and the almond milk. So maybe biya ku darina waxay sidoo aad yaabay sidoo uu noqdo biyo biyo. I think I blended a bit too much. I got carried away there. That was way too long. But can't wait! I can't wait to taste it. Look at this. So look into half. Halahan wa cabi karta, and then halahan kale fridge ka gashan karta. Hadhoodii cabi karta. Hadaa rabtid. Or so I had the sameysaa because I'm very hungry, but I hear the iheso. I'm gonna add all of it if I can make it full. I like that. Let's try this, yeah? I'm so that is delicious. It's so creamy and smooth. Oh my god, so good. I want to have all of it now. Just amazing. Sokar mukujuro, fruit white. It's better than coffee. Energy o kusina, korkaga u fiicanye. Hada video gan wax ka barate. Yeah, I said it. Okay. Hada video gan wax ka barate, please thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell me if you're learning how to speak Somali too, and tell me if my Somali was good as well. I feel like I need to get to know more people that speak Somali so I can learn more Somali, because the only people I speak to Somali in is only my mom. Of Somali kayo. Like in maybe soon waxaan noqonaa macalinimad or macalin. This is Oprah.